Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Vivo Vertebrae is probably one of the most innovative and versatile pieces of tech to hit the market recently, promising to revolutionize how we interact with our digital lives and offering a unique blend of functionality and user-centric design that sets it apart from anything else available today. Number 5. RESTCLOUD Neck and Shoulder Relaxer. Are you suffering from neck pain due to long hours of sitting or poor posture? This device is designed to help alleviate the discomfort quickly and effectively. Its ergonomic shape perfectly matches your cervical spine, providing support and promoting natural alignment. It gently stretches your neck to reduce pressure and restore its natural curve. Crafted from dense foam, it offers a firm yet lightweight base for your comfort. Use it on any flat surface at home or outdoors for a relaxing stretch. It may take a few days to get used to the new curvature. Stick with it, and you'll soon experience extreme comfort and relief. While designed for comfort, it should never cause pain. If you experience any discomfort, stop use immediately and consult a healthcare professional. This is your go-to solution for TMJ pain relief and improved cervical spine health. Get the support you need for a healthier neck. What we like. This device offers quick relief for neck pain in just 10 minutes a day. Its ergonomic design supports your cervical spine to help restore its natural curve. If you spend long hours with your head bowed or have poor posture, this is a great option for you. What people say. Every time I use this regularly, it's like I'm buying myself days or weeks of pain relief. And extra mobility, I can twist to look behind when backing up my car without stabbing pain now. Using it for just 8 minutes a day gives me the most incredible, gentle stretch. The curve is perfect for passive cervical traction and helps decompress the spine just enough. I noticed a difference in my jaw clenching and tension headaches almost immediately. It's made of really firm, dense foam, not that cheap, squishy stuff, so it actually holds your head and gives you the support you need. Number 4. Nekteck Shiatsu Neck Massager with Heat. Experience a professional-grade deep tissue massage with 16 powerful nodes. It effectively relieves neck stiffness, shoulder tension, and muscle soreness after a long day. Enjoy enhanced heat therapy that reaches up to 113 degrees Fahrenheit to promote blood circulation and relax tight muscles faster. You can also turn off the heat independently. Tailor your massage experience with 3 adjustable intensity levels. The long straps allow you to control the position and pressure for a perfect fit. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to use at home, in the office, or while traveling. It's lighter and more portable than bulky massage pillows. Crafted with upgraded breathable air layer fabric and high-quality PU leather, it offers superior comfort and durability. It makes a thoughtful gift for anyone. For your safety, it includes a 15-minute auto shut-off and overheat protection. If it gets too hot, it will automatically turn off to cool down. Please note that this model is not cordless and must be used with the power cord plugged in. Enjoy uninterrupted relaxation with this reliable design. What we like. Experience a professional-grade deep tissue massage with 16 powerful nodes and soothing heat. You can customize the intensity to your preference. If you're looking for targeted relief from neck stiffness, shoulder tension, and muscle soreness after a long day, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The Vivo Vertebrae offers a comfortable and supportive fit, making it ideal for extended wear. Its innovative design allows for excellent breathability, preventing overheating during use. The adjustable straps ensure a customized fit for various body types, enhancing its versatility. Number 3. Vivo Dual Monitor Desk Mount Stand V002. Introducing the Vivo Dual Monitor Desk Mount, designed to hold 2 computer screens up to 30 inches and 22 pounds each. This heavy-duty stand offers full adjustability for your ideal viewing experience. It accommodates 2 screens ranging from 13 to 30 inches, each weighing up to 22 pounds. Integrated cable management keeps your workspace tidy. Enjoy complete flexibility with adjustable tilt, swivel, rotation, and height. You can easily switch between portrait and landscape orientations for optimal comfort. Securely attach it to your desk using the robust C-clamp, suitable for surfaces up to 3.25 inches thick, or use the optional grommet mount for a different setup. Setting up your monitors is a breeze thanks to the detachable VESA bracket plates. All necessary hardware and clear instructions are included for a simple assembly. This sturdy steel stand comes with a 3-year manufacturer warranty and dedicated tech support. We're here to assist with any questions you may have. What we like. This mount securely holds 2 monitors up to 30 inches each, offering full articulation for the perfect viewing angle. Its heavy-duty clamp ensures stability. If you need to optimize your workspace with dual displays and desire flexible positioning, this is an excellent solution. What people say. The Vivo Vertebrae features a unique design that offers excellent support and comfort. Its advanced technology ensures optimal spinal alignment, promoting better posture and reducing back strain. The product is made with high-quality materials, guaranteeing durability and long-lasting performance. Number 2. Mount Pro Gas Spring Monitor Wall Mount. This mount is designed to fit a wide range of computer screens, from 13 to 32 inches, whether they are flat or curved. It supports monitors weighing between 4.4 and 17.6 pounds and is compatible with standard VESA mounting patterns. Achieve the perfect viewing angle with its full motion capabilities. You can easily tilt, swivel, and rotate your screen up to 180 degrees horizontally and 360 degrees vertically. The arm extends up to 21.13 inches, helping to reduce strain on your neck and shoulders. Experience a smooth, free-floating adjustment with the advanced gas spring system. This allows you to effortlessly set your monitor to any desired height and angle for an ergonomic viewing experience. Remember to adjust it based on your monitor's weight before use. Free up valuable desk real estate by mounting your monitor on the wall. This solution not only saves space but also features an integrated cable management system to keep your workspace tidy and organized. Installation is straightforward with all the necessary hardware and instructions included. For optimal safety and stability, it's recommended to mount this bracket on a solid surface like a cement wall, wood stud, or concrete brick wall. What we like. This single monitor mount features an advanced gas spring arm for smooth, effortless adjustments and helps free up valuable desk space. It offers a wide range of motion for optimal viewing. If you have a single monitor and want a cleaner, more organized workspace with ergonomic benefits, this wall mount is ideal. What people say. The Mount Pro Dual Monitor Wall Mount arrived in excellent condition in sturdy packaging. All pieces were securely packaged and well marked. Screws and small pieces included extras for those of us who tend to lose one. It also included 2 screw lengths and various spacers to accommodate a variety of monitors. This is a well-built, sturdy mount and worth every penny I spent. The quality is fantastic. It is quite heavy, so you have to make sure it is mounted well. The range of motion for the monitors is great. All of the screws to tighten and loosen the arms function perfectly. It is large enough to fit 2 good-sized monitors on it. Number 1. Vwindesk Vertebrae Cable Management Spine Kit. Are you tired of messy cables cluttering your workspace? Introducing a revolutionary solution to keep your cords tidy and out of sight. This innovative system is designed to bring order to your desk setup. It features a unique modular design, allowing you to easily adjust its length. With 30 individual segments, you can add or remove pieces to perfectly fit your needs. This ensures a customized and neat cable management experience. A weighted metal base provides exceptional stability, ensuring it stays put. This secure foundation prevents accidental tipping, keeping your cables safely routed. Simply slide your cables through the designated slots. Its internal channels guide your cords, preventing them from tangling or becoming a tripping hazard. It neatly routes all your power, electrical, and AV cables from the floor to your devices. The flexible sleeve bends and moves with your desk, offering essential protection. It provides strain relief for your cables, helping to extend their lifespan and prevent damage. Transform your workspace into a clean and organized environment. This solution simplifies cable management, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. What we like. This cable management spine features a unique modular design allowing you to adjust its length as needed. It neatly routes and protects your cables, preventing trips and clutter. If you're looking to tidy up your workspace and keep all your cords organized and safe, this is a practical and flexible solution. What people say. This product is sturdy, clean, and gets rid of your cable nightmares for good. The Vertebrae style also allows it to work well if you have a standing desk. Build quality is amazing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.